Welcome to Cadence, where we are touring Harmony Homes and specifically Quail Park, where we are looking at and have been looking at multiple townhouses here. These townhouses are unique in a couple features. One, they have a very low HOA fee, and two, they have backyards. This one that we're going to look at is just under 1,500 square feet. It is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home, and we're going to take a look at it. So it's priced at just under $400,000 at the time of filming this, so you know by the time you watch it, it could have already gone up. Who knows by how much? But this is about $10,000 more than floor plan number 2, and so let's take a look at what $10,000 more gets you. Hi, I'm Adam Hopkins, and welcome to Living in Las Vegas, where on this channel we cover everything about Las Vegas real estate and Las Vegas itself. Okay, so I like the openness of the concept, like the other two as well. Seems about the same size as the last one as far as square footage. Down below has a nice little backyard where you can do a barbecue and a few other little things. Then you have the pantry over here and just this beautiful open concept. This model has an island, and that is included in this. Once again, one of the things I like about Harmony Homes, which is just a local little builder here in Las Vegas, a lot is included in their homes. In fact, the average upgrades are between $8,000 and $15,000, so not a lot of money. Let's take a look at the upstairs. Has a very similar feel to the floor plan number 3. One immediate difference I noticed is the loft. It's a nice loft here, so you have some living space upstairs with you, which is kind of nice, place your kids can make it. It also can be used as a 4th bedroom option too. So if you need a little more bedroom space, this house has that. Once again, this one is about 100 square feet more than floor plan number 3. Here's a little bedroom. They all feel about the same size from each of the models I've looked at. The rooms aren't super big, but they aren't super small either. I like that about this. Let's go take a look at the other bedroom. I don't know if this just doesn't have a full bed in it, but it feels a little bigger than the other one. Has a good sized closet. And then once again, only a single sink. I prefer to have a double sink and possibly a separation of the shower and bath. Like the other models that we've already previewed, this has the laundry closet upstairs, which is nice. That brings us to the primary bedroom, which feels plenty of space. Lots of lighting, windows, so it feels bright, and room enough to put a dresser in here. The closet looks very similar to some of the others, which personally, this is actually one of the smaller closets of these. It's not as big as some of the others. I think that that's an area where this is a little missing on. That being said, let's go check out the bathroom. The bathroom does have a double sink. It's pretty straightforward, actually. Of all the bathrooms in these townhouses, this is the least attractive to me. So between model 2 and model 3, there's only 100 square feet difference between the two, and most of it seems to be right here in the loft, where you could change into a 4th bedroom. They both have 2-car garages. They both have 3 bedrooms. If this was helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so that you're notified when we drop other videos. And if this seems to be the home for you, I would love to have a conversation with you. Maybe we can look at some other properties that make sense for you and get you in your next dream home. So give me a call, we'll talk, and if in the meantime, check out some of our other videos.